For this week's video blog, I was given the artist Dennis Hlynsky. Hlynsky is a professor and head of the Film, Animation, and Video Department at the Rhode Island School of Design, where he has taught for the past 36 years. This is also the same school where he received his BFA in graphic design, photography, and video from 1970 to 1974. Dennis is an early adopter of electronic imaging, beginning in 1972 with early forms of video signal processing. He has focused his artistic research on instances of group activity. These instances range from human celebrations to animal gatherings. Furthermore, Dennis is a co-founder of Electron Movers, a regional media center and performance space. He is also principal in the video analysis project for 10 plus years, where he has used video as an intervention for people with life-threatening problems at Rhode Island Hospital. His work is displayed in several showcases, one of them being in the DeGaulle Gallery in Jackson, Wyoming, with his exhibit Tracing the Ephemeral. As I further researched this exhibit, there was an interview with him stating, "I've always loved observing animals as they have showed individual personalities. Most collective nouns have fallen into this disuse. Words like chattering, gaggle, and murder describe something more in the realm of general feelings. They describe something that people can't quite put their finger on, but are real nonetheless. A culture living closer to the natural world has more use for this vocabulary." With that being said, his focus is to depict the quality of collective nouns described. The work that is shown in this study is of the fleeting gestural perambulations of creatures who thrive in larger numbers. He further states that he is inspired by the drunken flight of fruit flies, the graceful arching of starlings, and the trailing glides of the crow. Below, I've included images from this gallery. One technique he often utilizes is called plane geometry. This is an artistic series of geometric shapes that are intersected by a single plane, and then proceedingly by 33 planes set at an equal distance from one another, moving in unison. An example of this is again provided below. A more obscure piece completed by Dennis is called Pink Fog. He mentions that this was a collaborative piece for a film he worked on with other artists. Within this, it entailed sketches of dots, lines, fog, pink colors, circling, wiggling, and a lot of patterns. Again, this artwork is displayed below. He was asked by the Essex Art Center located in Lawrence, Massachusetts, to display artwork for their exhibit. For this collection, it was video work which represented several years of him using an extended refresh technique to examine the way swarms of light creatures move. He states, "At various times, I have called this technique extrude time, echo, or time trials." Dennis wrote in another interview that he is intrigued by the marks each species leaves. He sees these as both data and drawings. As his project has developed, he has begun to add some motion to the technique as well. In one of the videos pertaining to this exhibit, he correlates his slow motion technique to that of Muybridge's horse in the 1987's first film. Below are masterpieces from the exhibit in Lawrence, Massachusetts, which he spent the later part of the 2018 completing, more specifically from January 11th to March 15th. As of now, Dennis Hlynsky is still a department head at RISD, teaching courses such as 3D computer-generated images, introduction to video, intermediate video studio, composition, photography, video production, 3D for artists, and foundation for digital imaging, as well as production. Thank you.